Thank you, ma'am. As promised, the window will be back there. I now call upon our chief guest, Mr. Nerurkar, to address the gathering, please.
Good morning, Mr. Jatin Das, Ms. Anjali Menon, Mr. Ahirji, Jenny, all the Sanjeev Paul, all the senior citizens, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's a great day that we have such great artists amongst all of us in Jamshedpur. I am really very much overwhelmed by the presence of all of you who have come all the way to Jamshedpur and have agreed to participate in a 2-day session, however short it may be. First of all, I must admit that I did not realize that a session like this should be for a week and not for 2 days, and I am quite happy to extend next year for 1 week as long as both of you. But I am sure we will extend it for a week, because if that's what she just now explained to me why it is 1 week, because for oil painting you require 4 days to dry. So there is a genuine technical reason which I have just now. So thanks for that, and we'll have it from next year for a week. Actually, I don't know how many of you really appreciate how much efforts the artists take to come here and how much efforts are taken to organize this event. But as long as all of us support it by at least watching it more often, getting something out of it, I think that's what, as a citizens of Jamshedpur, we need to. Also, I want to congratulate Mr. Jatin Das, who has received Padma Bhushan this year, and that's actually truly a reflection. And I was very happy to hear the memories of the Tata House with Ms. Menon. Actually, first of all, our apologies for breaking that window, and I am very happy that you did not remove your signature from that. Till you put the window back, signature will not be there. But we will certainly do whatever it is supposed to be done. But I think that 1988 exhibition is where I think Mr. Modi started liking your paintings a lot. And I'm sure he must have spoken about it. I was also very happy to know that in the 100 years, we have all this galaxy of stars, and this exhibition then will have that much more stature. So let me once again wish everybody all the best. I know I am conscious of the fact that I have disturbed some of you for this inauguration when you are already working on your own painting. So apologies for that, and next time onwards I think we should start it early so that before we don't have to interrupt your program. So let me once again wish this exhibition all the best, and we'll have a 1 week exhibition next year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now request Mr. Farzan Hirji to propose the vote of thanks.
Mr. H.M. Nerurkar, Managing Director, Tata Steel, Mr. Jatin Das, Ms. Anjali Menon, Mrs. Jenny Shah, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's always a privilege to be proposing the vote of thanks. Let me begin by thanking Mr. Nerurkar for sparing his valuable time to be with us on this occasion. Also to be hosting this occasion, so thank you Tata Steel, thank you Mr. Nerurkar. Thank you to Mr. Jatin Das, Ms. Anjali Menon for finding their time in their busy schedule in the calendars to be here in Jamshedpur. Thank you to the artist fraternity here for also coming all over from India and for spending time. The city of Jamshedpur surely welcomes you and is very happy to be interacting with you over the next couple of days. I also wish to thank Mrs. Nerurkar for her support and guidance, not only towards this art camp, but towards art initiatives which happen from time to time at the Center for Excellence. To all our friends from the media and the press who are here, some of them have come from away from Jamshedpur. To Jenny, Behrooz and team at the Center for Excellence for all the hard work and for putting up this show. And to all you guests who have spared your valuable time to be with us to make this occasion a happy one. Without much ado, I would now request Mr. Nerurkar, Mr. Jatin Das, and Ms. Anjali Ila Menon to paint a few strokes to formally inaugurate this art camp. And thereafter, may I request you all to please join in for high tea. Thank you.